Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you a new feature within TikTok where you can now repost videos. TikTok has just recently rolled out a repost button which allows users to share videos from other users with their followers without having it to appear in their profile. If you see a video you want to share in your For You section, all you have to do is click the repost button and your followers will be able to see it. Let me show you how to do this. Open up your TikTok app on your phone. Now go through the For You page and scroll through the TikTok videos. Once you find the videos you want to repost, tap on the share icon. At the bottom where it says send to, you'll see the repost icon. Tap on it. It'll then ask you to add a message to let your followers know why you have reposted this video. This is optional. You can press the X or you can add your message. If you have closed it or you have sent a message, the video will then be reposted to your followers. Once it has been reposted, you'll see a label saying you have reposted just above the username. And that is how to repost videos on TikTok. Before you go, don't forget to like this video and please consider subscribing if you found this video useful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.